So the Guardfather security system is launched, it's good to go, the website's live, the products are there, system's ready to be installed. And how's it all going? Is it flying off the shelves? Well, no, but I knew that'd be the case. It's a slow process to try and build this kind of product. It's a product that takes a lot of trust. People want to know what they're buying. They want to know who they're buying from. It does take time, and the content side of things is going to take a while before that can genuinely be a source of actual business for me. To be honest, I'm already made up that I've got on this security channel like 230 subscribers at this current time, which I'm honestly amazed at. I didn't know I was going to get any. I spent, I think, the first 6 months making videos and I had like 2 subscribers. So, you know, to be able to get, the first 5 months, sorry. So to be able to get a few more, and now it's building, 2 or 3 a day, I'm made up with, to be honest, and it's actually been a lot of fun. I'm enjoying helping people with all sorts of security systems, any problems they've got. So if you do have any issues with any security product, just let me know in the comments. I can always help you. I've worked on pretty much all of them. But anyway, back to the Guardfather security system. Yeah, I know it's going to be slow. Look, when you launch a product like this, it's not something that everyone's going to want to jump to buy, because not everyone is right on the cusp of buying their own security system. It usually takes time. People seem to see you a bit more and actually trust who they're buying from. And that's not going to be a problem because I'm not going anywhere. I'm in this for the long term. I'm going to be doing a Google Ads campaign, so I'm hoping that actually just drives sales early on so we can actually get something out of it there. But the content side of things, that's going to take longer, and I'm aware of that. And I was aware of that in the very beginning when I started this back in the beginning of December, and I was getting like 2 views a video. It's all a process, and I'm happy doing it, and I'm happy being here. And to be honest, I've had nothing but amazing support from the people on this platform anyway. I really enjoyed YouTube as a whole. You don't get as much of that from the other ones, like, like TikTok, which I have got a platform on there, but people don't really know you as much. They don't really learn as much about you on TikTok, so they might just be thinking like, this guy's just trying to sell some rubbish, and it's like, no, I'm not. I'm really not. But I get it. But there's more trust that can be built on here. So I have really enjoyed making YouTube videos, even though it doesn't come naturally to me. I'm just going to keep cracking on with it, and hopefully people enjoy being here for the ride. So I suppose one thing I've got to ask, is there any videos that you want to see, that you want help guiding through with a particular security system? I was in the middle of making a video about SmartCom, and how to connect that to the network with the Texacom Premier Elite. Honestly, you couldn't write this. The SmartCom's broken, and now it actually won't speak out to the network, and I've reset it, I've done everything. And it sounds like I hate Texacom sometimes on this channel, and I really don't. But every time I go to do something with a Texacom panel to make videos on it, something breaks. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to get another SmartCom, and then I'm gonna have to do that. But that video is coming. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than I expected, because I've got to go to the office and get a spare SmartCom. One thing I'm gonna do, like I'm gonna do on all my videos basically, is I'm actually gonna leave a link to the Guardfather website in the bio. Now, I'm not asking you to go on there and buy anything or anything like that, but I would love to hear your opinion. If you were to go to the website, just have a look at it, have a play around, see what it's like. Hopefully it's straightforward and easy to use, but I would absolutely love it if you'd go on there and just see if it's nice and straightforward and it makes sense to you, and it's something that you would potentially look at when the time comes to upgrade your own security setup. If you could let me know in the comments, I'd massively appreciate it. Like I've said before, what we're really going for with this system is not to take anything away. The app's free, and I'm not taking away any features of the system if you haven't bought a subscription. That's the line I want to go down, and that's the way I want to keep it. So yeah, your opinion would be much appreciated. Anyway, thanks for being here. It's great that you're on this journey with me, and I'll keep you updated and just document it all the way so you can see how it's going and where we're up to at what stage. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next one.